Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to change your skin on Minecraft Java Edition. First thing first, launch the official Minecraft launcher and make sure you're on the Java Edition. This method doesn't work for Bedrock. At the top of the launcher, click on Skins. Then this will open your current skins and customization options. Now to add a new skin, if you want, click New Skin. Browse your computer and upload a PNG skin file you downloaded or created. Then, of course, you have to give it a name and save it. Now to apply the skin, hover over the skin you want to use. Click Use to set it as your active skin. And now, from now on, you launch Minecraft Java Edition, your character will appear with the new skin that you have selected earlier. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.